on YouTube. Hey, YouTube. Pay for it, eat it.
That's alright.
You didn't pay $20 tax ratio.
Now that tastes like salami. We just ate like an hour ago. Chinese buffet. Yeah.
Oh, wait. We went bought the whole movie.
Did she hurt you? She tried to, didn't she? Come on, we'll go tell Uncle Henry and Auntie M. Come on. Aunt M, just listen to what Miss Gulch did to Toto. She ought to be pleased we're trying to come. Oh, but Aunt M, she hit him.
Don't bother us now, honey. This old incubator's gone bad, and we're like to lose a lot of our chicks.
Oh, that poor little thing. Oh, but Aunt M, Miss Gulch hit Toto right over the back with a rake just because she says he gets in her garden and chases her nasty old cat every day.
17? Dorothy, please.
Oh, but he doesn't do it every day, just once or twice a week. And he can't catch her old cat anyway. And now she says she's going to get the Dorothy,
Dorothy, we're busy.
Should have bought that tripod, Joe.
How's she coming? Hey, get easy. Oh, you got my finger.
Why don't you get your finger out of the way?
Hey, right on my finger.
A lucky thing it wasn't your head.
Zeke, what am I going to do about Miss Gulch just because Toto chases her old cat?
Listen, honey, I got them honks to get in.
Now look at Dorothy, you ain't using your head about Miss Gulch. Think you didn't have any brains at all.
I have so got brains.
Well, why don't you use them? When you come home, don't go by Miss Gulch's place. Then Toto won't get in her garden, and you won't get in no trouble, see?
Oh, you just won't listen, that's all.
Well, your head ain't made of straw, you know.
Say, get in there before I make a dime back out of you. Listen, kid. Are you going to let that old ghost heifer try and buffalo you? She ain't nothing to be afraid of. Have a little courage, that's all.
I'm not afraid of her.
And the next time she squawks, walk right up to her and spit in her eyes. That's what I do.
Oh! Oh!
Are you all right, Dorothy?
Oh, I fell in.
Why would you want to?
Boy, Zeke, she's as scared as I am.
What's the matter? Gonna let a little old pig make a coward out of you? Look at you, Zeke. You're
Here, what's all this jabber-wopping when there's work to be done? I know 3 shiftless farmhands that'll be out of a job before they know it.
Well, Dorothy was walking along.
I saw you tinkering with that contraption, Hickory. Now you and Huck get back to that wagon.
All right, Mrs. Gale. But someday they're going to erect a statue to me in this town.
Well, don't start posing for it now. Here, try to work on an empty stomach, have some crullers.
Gosh, Mrs. Gale.
Just right.
What? You see, Dorothy toppled into the big
It's
door.
no place for Dorothy around the pigsty. Now you go feed those hogs before they worry themselves into anemia.
Yes, sir.
Annie M, really? You know Miss Gulch said she was going to do this, Toto? She says she
Now, Dorothy, dear, stop imagining things. You always get yourself into a fret over nothing. Now you just help us out today and find yourself a place where you won't get into any trouble.
a place where there isn't any trouble. Do you suppose there is such a place, Toto? There must be. It's not a place you can get to by a boat or a train. Far, far away. Behind the moon. Beyond the rain. Somewhere over the rainbow. Way apart. A land that I heard once in a lullaby. Drops away above the chimney tops. That's where you'll find me. Somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds
That's
yes. Happy little bluebirds fly beyond the rainbow. Why, oh, why can't
Dorothy? Well, what has Dorothy done?
What she does? I'm all but lame. It was right on my leg.
Me, she bit you?
No, her dog.
Oh, she bit her dog, eh?
No. That dog's a menace to the community. I'm taking him to the sheriff and make sure he's destroyed.
Destroyed? Toto? Oh, you can't. You mustn't. Annie M. Uncle Henry, you won't let her, will you?
Of course we won't. Will we, Em?
Please, Aunt Em. Toto didn't mean to. He didn't know he was doing anything wrong. I'm the one that ought to be punished. I let him go in her garden. You can send me to bed without supper.
If you don't hand over that dog, I'll bring a damn suit that'll take your whole farm. There's a law protecting folks against dogs that bite. How would it be if she keeps him tied up? He's really gentle. With gentle people, that is. Well, that's for the sheriff to decide. Here's his order allowing me to take him. Unless you want to go against the law. And we can't go against the law, Dorothy. I'm afraid poor Toto will have to go. Now you're seeing reason. Here's where I'm taking him. You can't attack me again.
Oh, no, I won't let you take him. You go away. I'll fight you myself.
Dorothy.
You wicked old witch. Uncle Henry, Annie M. Don't let him take Joe. Don't let him take him, please. Stop her.
Put him in the basket, Henry.
Oh,
Yeah, I did.
oh.
Wrong movie.
Elmira Gulch, just because you own half the county doesn't mean you have the power to run the rest of us. For 23 years I've been dying to tell you what I thought of you. And now, well, being a Christian woman, I can't say it.